Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your double clicking speed on your mouse in Windows 10. So first of all, type mouse on your search bar and then your mouse settings should show up like this. Then you have to click on that and now you have additional mouse options. Click on that. You should have this window pop up and in here you can see the double click speed. So and right now it is in the middle. I guess it's a little bit into the right side, so it's a little bit fast. But if you turn it up to the edge of the thing and click apply, so what you do is when you're double clicking stuff, right? If you're not double clicking it fast enough, it will not register as double click. So if I click once and twice, you can see it is not considered as double click. But if I make this slower like this one and click apply, now if I click once, click twice, you can see the double clicking is registered. So depending on what you do, making it slow or fast will make sure that it is read as double click. Okay, so you can make it faster or slower depending on what you need. Then click apply and then click OK.